Hey Facebook people, I was kind of bored, so I decided to make this video of how to make a paper jet engine out of some paper, scissors, and butane lighter. Make sure it is butane. Zippos do not work. So the first thing we're going to do is take your paper and fold it like this and crease. You want to make sure that it's folded like that. And then we'll take our scissors and cut off the bottom. So that we have this. Take it, unfold it, and then take the crease that you folded and fold it in half like this. So there's a crease going down the middle like that. Crease. That was a little off, but oh well. And we'll take it, and it should look something like that. What we want to do is take that down in the middle and do that. Okay, and we want to fold it about like that so that it's in half. And you can see there's like a V here. And we take it, do that to the middle, and fold it like this. We don't want to crease anything. We just want it to be like that. And then we'll take it and set it down like that. Fold it down just like that. So now we have this. You want to take and fold, crease, fold, crease. Flip it over, do the same thing. Fold, crease. Okay, now that we have it like that, we're going to take it and fold this into the middle and do that on both sides. And flip it and do the same. And then, so now that it's like that, we take this end over here that we can fold it up, crease, fold it up, crease, fold it up, crease, fold it up, crease. Okay, now that it's like that, we take it, we fold that piece back to where it makes a little triangle, and it'll rebound, and that's okay. Fold it back, crease, another triangle, fold it back, crease, another triangle. Now you take these right here, you'll see that on the big triangles right there, they open up, they're kind of like a little pouch, and you want to put that in there, and put that in there. I want to do that on both sides. Sometimes it's kind of a pain in the butt. That's okay. Yeah, this one probably won't work. It's going to be kind of crappy, but that's okay. And once you're done with that, you'll look at one end and you'll see that there's a little hole. And then we'll take our scissors again and cut off just a little bit. Just a tiny little bit to make that hole a little bit bigger. And what you want to do is open it up like that and then you're going to blow into it so that it puffs up and makes a little kind of a ball type thing. I don't know what to call it, but that's what you do. And you can see that it blew up and made that. So, to launch this, we're going to take our lighter and we're going to fill it. We're going to pull down the little thing that lets out the butane, and we're going to fill it with gas. And this can take about, I don't know, maybe a minute, 30 seconds, however long. Probably not going to be able to get this to work anyways, because it never works for me. And then, yeah, it should light, but it's probably not going to. Alright, we'll try this again. There you go. That is what it is supposed to do. Except for it's supposed to fly a little bit more than that. And you can see that it'll kind of char a little bit. That is what it is supposed to do. Except for, you know, I'm kind of limited to space, so... Alright, that's how to make a paper jet engine.